How to fix YouTube not responding problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll show that how you can fix YouTube not responding problem. Okay, so guys, if this YouTube is not responding, then what we have to do and how we can solve this problem in this video, I'm going to tell you of the solution. So just watch the video and solve the problem. Okay, so sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't respond. So guys, no need to worry, just follow up the process, do the solution and fix the issue. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So what we have to do here is, okay, we need to go to Play Store. If the YouTube is not responding, go to Play Store, search for YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube, and then guys, here what you have to do is you have to update your YouTube to the latest version. Okay, you have to update it. If your YouTube is too old, then you will face this kind of problem. So update it, and after the update, go back to setting, and then guys, you have to scroll down, go to application and permissions, go to app manager. So here you may find app manager, manage app, or install app. Okay, so after that you have to scroll down and you need to find out your YouTube. So now you have to first stop the application, go to internal storage, clear up the data. Okay, so after clearing up the data, go to permissions and allow all the permissions. Okay, you have to allow all the permissions. So after allowing all the permissions, go back and make sure to update your phone software. If your phone software is not up to date, then guys, you need to update it as well. Okay, so that YouTube can run in your software smoothly. Okay, for smooth running you need updated software version. So after doing all those things, restart your device, and then guys, check it out, problem will be fixed permanently. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.